Today very special recipe which is duck curry with potato. This I have got from Talbanda Sajarat. This is the first time I'm having this recipe, cooking and will be eating. I'm putting salt, turmeric, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili spicy red chili powder, green chili, ginger paste, black pepper powder, garam masala powder, garlic paste and onion, and now mix this for as long to make this pounding effect. Always tough meat needs to be pounded with hand or anything. Now this pounding will be done for 15 minutes and add little mustard oil in the marination and will be pounding this for totally 15 minutes. Here I have taken a kadai and put oil and will be frying this potato until nicely colored. I removed it and I put in the oil whole garam masala and lot more and onion. We'll be cooking this onion till it's golden brown and will saute ginger garlic paste along with it and cook it with the onion. When this comes to this kind of color, I'll add marinated duck in this oil and will stir fry it till its mixtures the surface. It should become like this color. When it becomes like this color, I'll add potato and will stir it along with this duck fry. After this is done, we'll transfer everything in the Hawkins cooker and we'll wash the marinated kadai with hot water, and when it's hot we'll put it in the cooker. We'll put black pepper powder, garam masala powder and stir it and put whistle for 4 to 5 whistles. So we'll be eating this with green salad, crab meat and one more vegetable and crab vada. Thank you for watching Jai Shri Kadai Katha English. Please like, subscribe and press hit the bell icon. See you in the next episode. Bye bye for now.